What are you doing?
He's trying to eat it, right?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Don't eat plastic. That's why.
Come, come.
Which one? Follow it. Go upstairs.
Yeah, What are you doing with the plastic? Where? What are you doing? Let me see.
You're not supposed to eat it.
What are you doing, Carl? What are you doing? Huh?
Oh my God.
What? Give me the bag.
Give me the bag.
Give me the bag. No, give me the bag. Give me the bag, muchacho. Give me the bag.
Come here. Come here.
You want food?
Yeah, food.
What are you doing? You wanna?
Maybe it's hiding a bag in there.
Oh, it's for you.
For his house. Oh, look. Okay, watch. See, he's digging. You want to hide the bag.
Is your bed? See? Is your bed?
It's snowing.
Oh, you speak Spanish, huh?
It's snowing now. Little. Whoa.
You speak Spanish? What?
Oh, it's so cute.
Tan loco, huh?
See, he's stuffing that shit in there. Whoa. Oh, it's his house. Oh.